Hello everyone, we have an express delivery for you. It's a whole collection of the best CCTV videos, the funniest and most epic images in a single selection. Let's get it on. Tenant horrified after discovering python. Emerging from toilet. The incident took place in an apartment in Thailand, where the tenant was shocked to see a python suddenly poke its head out of the toilet bowl. The snake appeared aggressive and seemed ready to strike, causing the tenant to scream in absolute terror. Can you imagine this happening in your own bathroom? A giant monitored lizard crawling up from the toilet. A tenant in Michigan had the fright of their life when they discovered this uninvited guest slowly emerging from the most unexpected place. Luckily, no one was hurt, but this terrifying moment will surely haunt them every time they step into the bathroom. Up next, the ultimate pranksters in action. Here come some hilarious moments where mischievous kids take trolling their parents to a whole new level. Get ready to laugh, and maybe be a little glad it didn't happen to you.
We are 25-30 meters.
Tourists were peacefully observing bears in their natural habitat when suddenly... Thankfully, the experienced guide had been prepared for the attack ahead of time, but after that, it was clear that everyone in the group had gained a few more grey hairs. Wow, that is some impressive strength. I think this is a good enough reason to tie up the boat and never get close to the water again.
ये छोड़ो वाला बच्चा
इसके पीछे
ये पैर पे कूदा पैर पे ये बनाई बढ़िया ये मैं बहुत जान क्या करते हैं ये बहुत नहीं।
Just like that, without even breaking a sweat, he managed to clear the path for his kin.
Можешь повернуться.
The mountain lion clearly wasn't expecting visitors at this time.
Oh God.
Police.
The poor animal is trying to eat, and this crazy psychopath. Oh my God! Look at this! Look at it! No, mom, what's going on?
Somebody's clearly not okay with being filmed without permission. It seems that tiger got a bit bored of the calm walk, so he decided to give people an unforgettable adrenaline rush.
$38万点赞，不是，给你们报告。
He couldn't manage to film a proper video with those troublemakers around.
That just came out of the bush. I wish I was videoing that.
Do you think llamas are amusing and cute? Think again. I can't believe that after that she's still up for taking a couple of close-up shots of the buffalo.
Should have had a picture of us doing that.
He is not happy.
That 1 foot hurts.
I'm staying behind my board.
I doubt it can really protect you, buddy.
His foot hurts.
Fucking Jesus.
This dog decided that attacking someone who is prepared for it doesn't make sense.
No, bitch, nigga, what the?
What, did you fuck out your window?
Looks like Bambi's fallen in with a bad crowd. How else can we explain his wild behaviour? While these guys were lucky enough to escape from the raging yak, these ones will have to call their insurance company after their encounter.
Holy
Taking a walk in the Florida woods is quite an adventure.
wow. That is not.
This massive fish tried to take a bite of the diver's head. Fortunately, it failed, but the guy got to see the fish up close like never before. Who would have thought that grouse are among the most aggressive birds in the world? Though you'd totally expect something like this from this bird.
No way!
Swans are the symbol of purity and compassion, they said.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
They're completely harmless birds, they said.
You fucking bird!
Proof that moose can look incredibly intimidating, even without their gigantic antlers. Friendly advice from those divers: if you ever decide to swim with sharks, it's better not to hold on to the cage.
About 10 metres away. Flying fox.
The guy thought naively that the boar needed his help, but it turned out that it was the animal's brilliant plan. Luckily, the guy was with his loyal dog at the time, and they both came out unharmed. They believed that chaining him up would keep them safe, but the elephant proved that nothing could stop him.
Can you imagine that the intruder in your house is a giant python on the ceiling? Rescue teams had to use special tools to carefully pull this massive creature down from the roof. A truly intense late-night rescue. No one was injured, but that night will surely be a nightmare the whole family will never forget.
Binigyan mo sebelah. Binigyan mo sebelah. Oh, dua. Oh, dua. Sebelah. Allah. 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 Allah.
You're not seeing things. That's a real penguin getting a royal welcome. This is Sir Niels Olav, a penguin who holds an honorary rank in the Norwegian Royal Guard. Yes, he's not just adorable, he's official military personnel. The guards line up with full honors as he waddles down the aisle like a true VIP. Now that's how you make an entrance.
I'm pretty sure they weren't ready for this kind of rodeo. If this dog can do that when it's in a playful mood, imagine what it's capable of when it gets angry. The rooster had been preparing day and night for the moment when the cage would be opened. There's a reason why zoos use especially strong glass. Who else thought hippos were harmless? Even lionesses are afraid of them. They went on a safari for some exciting experiences and memories. Well, they definitely won't forget being chased by an enraged elephant.
Jump on him.
One of humanity's biggest misconceptions is that hippos are slow and non-aggressive.
There's a queen in the house.
What began as a simple stare down quickly escalated into a full-blown fight in a matter of seconds. Before you can enjoy crab meat, you must first defeat the crab in a fight.
Bueno, está armado el cangrejo. Dime. Oh, pero mira, me va a apoyar. Está armado.
Yeah, better. Come get me.
Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh, where is it? Let's me. Oh. Let's go. No. Come on, me.
She might not be the most harmless creature in the world, but she's definitely a good mum. You might expect a monkey to rob you, as people often talk about that, but you definitely don't expect it to smack you when you kindly try to offer it a treat. Yes, birds can be aggressive too. Especially when they're much larger than you. The guys headed out for a hunt, totally unaware that they would become the prey. Tourists often feel the urge to get closer to wild animals. Until the animal itself tries to get closer. It's a good thing there's sturdy glass between people and monkeys. It probably wouldn't be safe to be there during a big brawl without it. Remember, life isn't exactly a Disney movie.
Also, die sind aber neugierig.
Here's why it's better not to go on a safari with open windows. Yeah, you got real lucky there, pal. Bikers are incredibly tough guys, but even they get scared when they run into an angry buffalo. Do you hear that thud? It's incredible that neither of them falls after that, and they just keep fighting as if nothing happened. Swimming with turtles isn't always like those pretty pictures you see on tourist brochures. This kangaroo absolutely hates paparazzi.
Now we've got an issue. Yeah.
You can't just chase a moose down the road and hope to get away with it.
I think I better start back. I can't back up that fast, can I? Oh, that's the first time for me.
Shit, you pissed him off.
Not every safari goes exactly as planned, and Furious Elephant definitely wasn't a part of the plan. He shouldn't boldly approach the huge bird with a large beak. He won't be so confident anymore.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy.
So, it looks like the lions aren't the toughest animals around. Hippos are the real bosses.
This is so cool. Pick the wrong dude.